Welcome to Saisha Spectrum. In this lecture, we are going to see about the joints. In the last lecture, we have seen what is meant by views and different types of views. So, what is meant by join? Join is used to connect two or multiple number of tables to display the data. There are two different types of joins: inner join and outer join. In inner join, only the matching records between two or more than two tables are selected, and the unwanted record will not get selected. And in outer join, all the records from all the tables will get selected, but only the thing is that the unmatching records or not matching records will display a blank values. For example, we will see here these are two tables like Z inner join and the other table is Z outer join. So for the inner join concept, let us see the output for inner join concept. As we know that in inner join only the similar data will get selected. So from the first table, like we have serial number like 1001, 1002 and 1003. So the similar data in the second table will get selected into a inner join output. So we have 1001 output in same record in table 2 and 1003 record we have. So the 1002 record will not get selected for the output of inner join. And similarly for the output of outer join, all the data will get selected. Only the thing is that there is no matching data for 1002 record, so that record will get blank. The record will get selected, but the values from that records will be blank. In the next lecture, we are going to see about database view in SAP ABAP.